Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we will talk about graphing straight line from points. So let us write graphing straight lines from points. Now let us have two variables, x and y, where y is a function of x, and we have say 2 points. Here we have x and here we have y. Say x is 10 and 20. The value of y is say 14 and say 28. We can have any values. There are two x values, 10 and 20, and there are two corresponding y values. So we can have 2 points, say x1 and y1 is equal to 10 and 14, and x2 y2 is equal to 20 28. So this is the first point, and say this is the second point. Now we can follow a formula to find out the functional form if we consider these two values are from a linear function. The formula is pretty simple, which is y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Pretty melodic, right? Anyway, let us put values. Y minus y1 is 14. 14 minus 28 is equal to x minus 10 and 10 minus 20. So here we have y minus 14 divided by minus 14 is equal to x minus 10 divided by minus 10. From here we can write 10 into y minus 14 is equal to 14 into x minus 10. From here we can say 10y minus 140 is equal to 14x minus 140. So from here we can say 10y is equal to 14x. Therefore, y should be equal to 14 by 10 x. So let us check it. If x is equal to 10, then y will be equal to 14 divided by 10 into the value of x, which is 10. That means 14. And if x is equal to 20, y will be equal to 14 by 10 into 20, which will be equal to, here we have 2, 28. So we get exactly same values. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.